The video that I am about to show you was made completely using AI.
Did you know cats have some mind-blowing secrets? Cats can make over 100 different vocal sounds. They spend 70% of their lives sleeping. A group of cats is called a clouder. Hit like if these cat facts surprised you.
To know how to make videos like this within few minutes, make sure you watch this video till the very end. We will be using an AI tool called Fliki, and if you want to try it, you can open it from the link given in this video's description. If you have never used Fliki before, then you will first need to create an account by clicking on sign up. I already have an account here, so I will click on login. This is the page you will be able to see after a successful login. You can see that we can convert various different forms of media like ideas, scripts, blogs, etc. into a video using this AI tool. Click on idea. Here you can enter the title of your video. For the purpose of this video, I will enter 3 interesting facts about cats. You can adjust the duration of your video from here. I will keep it 1 minute. Click next. Here you will be able to decide how you want your video to be. First, you can select the aspect ratio of the video. Then you can select a language out of these multiple options available here. You can select the dialect of the voiceover. You can select specific clips or images to be included in your video from here. If you don't select anything here, the AI will add clips according to its own judgment, and I have seen that this AI does a pretty good job at it. So I will leave it as it is. Next, you can select the types of images to be included in your video. There are many options like 3D model, anime, photographic, etc. I will select anime over here. We also have other options like templates, AI avatar, brand kit and more. However, they are not available in the free plan, so let us see what video the free plan gives us. Click on submit and the AI will now start generating our video. This step will take some time, so let us jump directly to the completed video.
A few moments later.
I will play the video once again to show you that it is the same video.
Some mind-blowing secrets? Cats can make over 100 different vocal sounds. They spend 70% of their lives sleeping. A group of cats is called a clouder. Hit like if these cat facts surprised you.
As you saw, the video is really good, and if you want to make some changes to this video, you can do that too. Click here on media and you will be able to make changes to the text, media, audio and much more. Click here on more and you will be able to make adjustments to the pronunciations, and you will also get the option to translate the video. Once you have made all the necessary changes, click here on download and then click on export. Click on start. Click download MP4. The video will get downloaded. However, it will contain a watermark and you will need a paid plan to remove this watermark, and now I will show how you can get discount on these paid plans. Click on upgrade. We have 2 different plans here. You can compare their benefits and select any plan. On the left, if you select yearly, you will get a 25% discount, and we can also get a discount on the monthly plans. Select monthly and click subscribe now. On the payment page, you will get the option to enter a promotion code. Type Fliki AI10 and click apply. You can see that we have received a 10% discount. You can now enter the remaining details and complete the payment. If you want to know about another amazing AI tool that makes videos from prompts, then check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.